Welcome to this next session of creating RAC environment using VMware. Here today we will create a database on RAC cluster. Till now, like what we have done is we had created two nodes, node 1 and node 2, using CentOS 5.4 operating system. After that we had done all the prereqs required for installing the CRS. Then we had installed the grid, and then after that we had installed the RAC11g binaries. So from this session, our aim is to create the database 11g, and for that first of all we need to create the default listener from cluster home. Here in our case it is grid. So let me run this command netcf. Basically it is Oracle Net Services configuration, and it will create the listener for us. So I am saying that listener name should be listener, okay, and say for example I am saying use the standard port, or use maybe I am saying that use different port if you want to define different port. Another listener if you want to configure no. Okay. And that's it. So this is the first thing which you need to do. Second thing, like what we need to do is, like till now we had used one disk group which is plus, okay. So now what we are supposed to do is we need to use the remaining two disk group. So let me do that. For that, like we need to run one command. So now you can see like it is showing on first page, like the instance name ESM1, ESM2 both are showing the status as up, and AD VM driver. Okay, so from this screen you can see like it is only showing one disk group which is plus. So let me create other two. First of all I need to define the disk group name. I am giving it underscore data, and then external, and then say for example I am doing raw2, taking this as raw2, and press OK. So it will create one new disk group with name Niti underscore data. So it is saying disk group Niti underscore data created successfully. Okay, now say for example I am creating one more disk group, and which is Niti underscore FRA, okay, external, and this is the last one which I am picking. So now it is creating disk group Niti underscore FRA. So now it is saying that it has created this disk group also. Now we need to make sure that every disk group should be in mount state. So at this moment it is saying this is mounted 2 of 2, mounted 2 of 2, mounted 2 of 2. So that is perfectly fine. We'll do exit. Okay. So now one more thing, like before creating the database by using DBCA, and after creating this disk group, we need to make sure that there should be there should be proper privilege on this particular ASM disk groups. Otherwise you will get error when you create database. Again by Oracle user. Here we can run the command dbca, which is database configuration assistant. So now it is asking like select the database type that you would like to create as it or administer. So we are saying that we want to create Oracle real application cluster type of database. Next, create a database. We want to create database. So these are some options. We want to create database. And let me choose this option: a general purpose or transaction processing. Okay. Like here we can give the name of the database, select the nodes from on which you want to create this database. So if everything is fine as far as cluster is concerned, then you will see both the node, otherwise you will not get the detail of both the nodes. So make sure that your cluster is working fine before creating this. Let me give the password. Is saying it is not satisfying Oracle recommended password complexity. Do you want to continue? So I am saying yes. I am using common location for all data files. Okay, so I am you can choose from this location with the underscore data it is showing. You can create here. Next. Now we need to provide the password of ASM SNMP. Okay, it has created. Now I think we are done. Let me check the database related thing. Okay, so this one is it's showing that Nitish one. Okay, so if we say then we can select inst num id comma instance name from $GB instance. Okay, now it will show both in the status. So it is showing like at this moment we have two database instance running. One is Nitish 1 and other is Nitish 2, and both are in open state. Okay, so I think now we have created all the things. So only thing pending is like setting of OEM. Okay, so in next session we will see like how we can configure the OEM. So thank you very much for joining this session. Have a great learning. Thank you.